Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and hope you bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, let's look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see from yesterday, we are long from here, but if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review video, link is also given in the video description. So pretty straightforward. We had this breakout yesterday, price broken the previous high, so we're expecting another pullback, which we had it, and beautiful long trade here. We really enjoyed all these pullbacks, and we also had this counter short trade. Let me show you in intraday how I analyze the entries and the exit through our intraday system. Right, so let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so this morning you can see here we have this breakout. Let me explain it. Yeah, that's the just before London Open. I did this analysis. We had a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. Let me slightly so I can. Okay, so you can see here momentum is bullish, and we have previous high is broken in 4 hours, so we're expecting a pullback from this level, which price nicely developed, and pretty straightforward symmetry triangle pattern, as you can see here. As soon as the price hit to the first target, we explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. So after banking some profit, we're expecting another reversal. As you can see here, once we bank some profit, price reverse and develop a false breakout. So that's what I explained to my trader. Now we are looking if the price is going to respect this level at this level and develop, then short trade here, otherwise long trade here, continuation. As also explained, as you can see, because we will be talking to our traders through live audio commentary and through live intraday analysis. That was a pretty straightforward counter short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, reverse. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some pips or move your stop loss at the break even, because this is the counter trade. Right, so afterwards, as you can see here, the price reverse, and then we explained all these details to our trader through live training and through live intraday analysis. You can see here this level is broken, and we're expecting a pullback, which price refused. And you can see after the breakout, price developed pullback and safer trade for this breakout, which price nicely did. As you can see here, momentum was bullish, so you can see here pretty straightforward. And then afterwards announce all this pullback, and our target was at this weekly basically this is the weekly support resistance line. And in our, as you can see here, fib channel, as soon as the price hit this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit and look for counter short trade from this level, which I did analysis instantly. As you can see, I explained to my trader, as soon as the price gonna hit this red fib channel, as you can see here, and as soon as the price reverse, red candle develop, counter short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely came back to this level. That's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. All right guys, as you can see here, we had amazing trade on Euro USD. We also had amazing trade on cable Pound Dollar. All right, so 4 hour from yesterday, we were long here. As you can see here, price broke on the previous high, you can see here, and we had a long trade this morning, and we just closed our trade just before the high impact news for the cable. And we also had a short trade here, and we also had a long trade here. So in morning, long trade here. After the news, we had a short trade here. At the New York session, we have a long trade here. And let me show you how I analyze the entries and exit in intraday system. Right, so if you look at here this morning, let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, right, so this morning, as you can see here, most of the traders were expecting the price might going to reverse at this level. Explain to my trader, we're only going to look a short trade here if the price is going to develop these patterns. Otherwise, we're going to keep taking a pullback. So you can see here pullback, few pp's, and afterwards price reverse. And that's what I explained to my trader. We have price develop here, so we're expecting sort of like a same pattern which I just mentioned you in Euro USD. If the price is going to develop pullback, break, safer trade. If the price gonna break this one, long trade here. You can see here momentum was bullish, that's for high probability, and price nicely broken. Beautiful. As soon as you can see it, just before 1 minute to the news, as you can see here, price nicely hit to the resistance level, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit and let's wait for the news. After 1 minute, you can see here the news reaction. Straightforward. As I said to you guys, patient and discipline. So the price broken this previous low. So after this breakout, we are expecting another pullback. As you can see here, explain to my trader, if the price cannot hit to the orange fib channel, then we announce all these pullback through live audio commentary. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, which is previously broken in 4 hour, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And at the New York session, as you can see here, price reverse, because this was the major support level which previously broken. And in intraday, as that's what I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. But the most important thing, we have inverted head and shoulder pattern. Safest way after the breakout pullback, which price nicely did. As soon as the price hit to the previous monthly resistance line, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we enjoyed it. Amazing trade guys. All right, so dollar CAD, very interesting. Dollar CAD, as you can see here from yesterday, we were short. If you haven't seen my yesterday video, link is given in the video description. So you can see the major support is broken, so we're expecting a pullback. So as you can see a bearish engulfing. So we will just keep taking a pullbacks, right? Most of the traders, they were expecting price might going to reverse, but I said to my trader, look at this level. If the price gonna respect this level, then long. Otherwise, if the price gonna break, then keep taking a pullback short trade here. That's what exactly we did. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. We had an amazing trade guys. Okay, so you can see here, this is the analysis I did last night, just because we were enjoying all this because of the FOMC. We really enjoyed it yesterday, so I explained, just keep taking a pullback. We have one pullback, and in London morning, price developed sideways. Look for another breakout, beautiful breakout, pullback, another pullback, amazing profit. And at the New York session, I said to my trader, as long as the price does not break the previous high and retest, keep taking a short trade here. We have another short trade here, bank some profit. And afterwards, you can see here again, price develop another pattern here, and price nicely broken, and the retest at this level, we are beautiful, because trader was expecting a counter long. I said to him, previous high, recent high, if the price break and retest, long. Otherwise, keep taking a pullback. So we have beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the support line, explain to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my traders with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.